Welcome to Statistical Observatory. Welcome to another statistical story. Please have a look on the self-explanatory simple analysis presented in this video. Now, let's have a look on the takeaway message. In analysis, we observed fluctuations in crime rates during the tenures of both Manmohan Singh and Narendra Modi. However, a critical point to highlight is the significant increase in crime rates during Modi's government's tenure. High crime rates are a matter of profound concern for the ordinary people of the country. These elevated crime levels have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only safety but also social well-being, economic stability, livelihoods, and public health, etc. Addressing this issue effectively requires a comprehensive and thoughtful approach from policymakers and law enforcement agencies to ensure the safety and security of the ordinary citizens. Thanks for watching the video and may please share your feedback.